Hey everyone, want to save your work from Cloud AI to your device? In this video, I'll show you how to export files from Cloud AI step by step. Yeah, whether you need to download documents, generated content, or project files, this guide will help you complete the process easily. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and open the project, workspace, or file section where your content is stored. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before exporting anything. Once you're inside Cloud AI, locate the file, document, or project output you want to export. Look for options such as Export, Download, Save, or File Settings. This is usually where you can access available export options. Next, click the Export or Download button to open the export menu. Depending on the platform, you may be able to choose different file formats such as text, document, PDF, or other supported formats. After selecting your preferred format, confirm the export option and wait for Cloud AI to prepare your file. Larger files may take a few moments to process before they are ready. Once the file is ready, save it to your preferred location on your device. Check your Downloads folder or the location you selected to make sure the file was saved successfully. If the export option is not working, check your internet connection, file permissions, or whether you have access to the project. These quick checks can solve many common export problems. So that's how you export files from Cloud AI. Saving your AI-generated content allows you to store, share, and continue working on your projects whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.